Hi guys, Namaste. My name is Tina and in this video I will teach you how to breathe Ujjayi Pranayama. Today mostly I want to focus how to learn breathing Ujjayi. Just a few more words that I think Ujjayi Pranayama for me is one of the most useful pranayama. I breathe Ujjayi when I do asanas, I breathe Ujjayi when I want to calm down myself, I breathe Ujjayi when I want to focus, to concentrate before I start my meditation, and also Ujjayi, it's a part of my pranayama practice. So, Ujjayi, Ujjayi, Ujjayi. But how to breathe Ujjayi? It's not that difficult, but I see that a lot of people ask me how to learn breathe Ujjayi. And I will share you a method what helped me many years ago to understand how to do it. And in my opinion, I still think it's the most good explanation which I ever met about Ujjayi. So let's do it. What is it Ujjayi? Let me explain to you. I think you will hear. Ujjayi, it's breathing with noise. You can read maybe somewhere that sometimes people call it ocean breath. Actually, it's really remind me about ocean, about water when I breathe Ujjayi. And when you the most feel Ujjayi, it's in this area. You really feel it here. And how to learn. Now we will breathe with open mouth, with open lips. And when you do inhale, you pronounce a letter O. And when you do it, try to observe how you feel your breathing in your throat, in your chest, in your rib cage, in your body. Try to observe this feeling. It's also very important. Let's do a few more time. So you kind of pronounce O when you doing your breath. And one more time. Beautiful. I hope you follow me. And now, when we do exhale, with our exhale, we pronounce A. Again, O. And with exhale, A. O. And then A. And now do it a few more times in your own tempo. Again, try to observe how do you feel, how your body feels through this breathing. With pronunciation O and A sounds. And let's do it one more time. Amazing. And now we will try to close our lips and breathe with our nose, but imitate this feeling of breathing what we had when we pronounced O and A. You can even hold it in your mind when you pronounce O. When you do inhale and you pronounce A but with closed lips. When you do exhale. Let's try. If you don't get it, just do a few more times with open lips and then try to close. And then if again you don't feel yourself completely comfortable, maybe again open lips. But I promise you, we will try a few more times and you will get it. So your back is straight, you can close your eyes and completely focus on these feelings of breathing. And a few more times. So that's it. Please write me in a comment, do you understand how to breathe Ujjayi? Did you do it? Did you feel that you are doing Ujjayi? And of course, if you have any questions, please write it down. Maybe I will do another video with more information about Ujjayi, how it can be useful. But what I can say you for now, with Ujjayi, you can make your inhale and your exhale much more longer than with regular breathing. So especially when you do stable asanas, when you pause in asanas, try now to switch to Ujjayi. Try to switch from your regular breathing to Ujjayi Pranayama, and you will feel the difference. And actually, you can really breathe Ujjayi through all your asana practice, especially when you do a practice, when you move with each inhale and exhale, or at least when you pause asana, try to switch to Ujjayi. The most common mistake what people do when they breathe Ujjayi, they do something like this. Really do it with some, hard trying. No, you don't need to. You don't need to do it hard. You need to do it comfortable and gentle, without any hard pushing yourself to breathe. We don't need it. So it should be comfortable. It should be gentle, but deeper and with nice, beautiful voice, sound like you are sitting nearby the ocean. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you understood a little bit more about Ujjayi Pranayama. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on my Instagram, and I will be happy to see you in my next videos. Bye bye.